What's going on, traders? We're going to do a quick bot check-in right here because last night, starting at around, actually early this morning at around 12:30 a.m., that was the last time I looked at the clock. I noticed that the bots were going to hit profit. Some of them were going to hit some profit today. And sure enough, when I woke up, the USDT bot, it had hit one of its profit targets. And as you can see right now, today's profit is currently at $651.26, which is, and now 60 cents, which is 18.12%. So that's what happened overnight on the bots, or actually early this morning. Over here, USDT bot. Yeah, okay, there's still two orders over here. However, earlier, this order right here, before the profit was taken, before it hit its spot, the price over here was 45.05506 or something like that. That's what I think it was. I don't remember exactly if that was the price or not, but it did hit, and it's got two more cells to hit. Next one will give me 4.72%, and the one after that will give me 9.95%. That's not going to be a whole lot of money simply because the account started with like 80 bucks. Okay, like I said, I had some spare. After I'd set up the other bots, I had like spare 80 sitting in the account, and I decided, hey, what the heck, throw it into another bot. And that's what I did. So that's where I am on the bots right now. Oh, let me check transactions here. Okay, there it is right there. Yeah, that was a sale where it hit 45.055. I thought it said '06, but it was actually 46. So this was the transaction where it hit its profit target. And we'll be looking for more of those in the other bots as we go along. Uh, as you can see, 2.14% on the USDT bot. On the NMR bot, we have 1.29%, which isn't great. If you look over here, you can see like it dropped off big time right there, and it kind of went flat right in through here. I had to add a little to it to get the bot back up and running. I changed the parameters on it so that now the upper limit, this is the upper limit, and the upper limit is also my take profit. So when it hits this, whenever it hits that, it will actually close down and stop the bot. It'll cash out everything that it has in there, and whatever profit has been made, that's where it'll cash out. This bot will close down, and I'll have to restart it or start a new bot. So over here on Sol BTC growth bot, we have 2.88%. I forget what it was the last time I checked in. I think it was like 5%. Down here, this bot's going to stay pretty much right around 6%. The Shiba Inu bot, which is a martingale DCA bot, it's going to stay right around 6%. That's what it's been doing. I don't expect that to move without a huge turnaround in a bearish direction for Shiba Inu for it to do anything negative. And I do mean a huge turnaround. And the ETH bot, as soon as it goes into some decent profit, I'll probably close this bot down It hasn't been performing like I want it to. It's the only bot that is consistently in the red. It's performing exactly the opposite of what I want it to. So versus closing it out at a loss, I'll wait until it goes into profit and see if I can't close it out without taking too much of a hit on it. So now let's head over to the charts. And as you can see, we broke through the 45K trigger point, hit a tweezer top, and started a reversal. On either side of the tweezer top, and this is why I left the purple line up here, you'll see that the price came up, reacted with the old consolidation line on both sides of the tweezer top. It went up and wicked there. And right now we're about to go back up and retest that consolidation line and see if it holds. Probably won't hold. Not that our volume down here is great, but it does look like it wants to pick up right there. So I wouldn't be surprised if it breaks through the consolidation line right here and goes back up to test the swing high. It may even break through that swing high. Looks like everything is going back in a bullish direction and possibly turning around. However, on the impulse MACD, we're at the upper levels, so we're almost at our selling point here, because once it hits this green line, the impulse MACD hits the green line right here, it will reverse. The price will go into a reversal. So that's what I'm expecting to happen. Actually, that's what I know is going to happen. Once it crosses this line, it's going to be seriously oversold, or overbought rather. And that always causes a reversal. Once something is super oversold or overbought, you're going to get a reversal. You just have to be aware of that and ready to take advantage when it comes. So looks like I'm running out of time because today is Thursday. I have a webinar to get to, or to be on in about 25 minutes here. And I have to start editing and doing things to this video after it's made. So I'm about to cut this short, guys. Like I said, we're probably going to retest the swing high right here. Most likely, if I had to guess, we're going to break through it. Because what I'm seeing right now is we're trying to bounce off of the 45K trigger point. If we're successful at the 11 o'clock hour and it starts a new green candle, that will most likely be the candle that breaks through the consolidation line right here, because it looks like this candle is having a hard time right now. Also, the other thing that it could mean is that the candle's going to turn red and we're going to retest the 45K trigger point. I'm looking for either of those two things to happen, but mostly I'm looking for the price to bounce off the 45K, retest the swing high, and possibly break through and go on a run. So we'll see how that goes. I will see you guys tomorrow. This is the Dark Sage signing out. You guys have a blessed day. And as always, peace.